Why was Air Force air interdiction vital in the Vietnam War? The Vietnam War was a complex conflict that involved various military strategies and tactics, one of which was air interdiction. This strategy played a crucial role in disrupting the supply lines and movement of enemy forces. Air interdiction refers to the use of aircraft to attack enemy forces and supplies before they can reach the battlefield. During the Vietnam War, the North Vietnamese Army and the Viet Cong relied heavily on a network of supply routes known as the Ho Chi Minh Trail. This extensive system of roads and paths traversed through Laos and Cambodia, allowing the enemy to transport troops, weapons, and supplies into South Vietnam. The United States Air Force recognized that, by targeting these supply routes, they could significantly weaken the enemy's capabilities. One of the most notable operations involving air interdiction was Operation Rolling Thunder, which began in March 1965. This campaign aimed to destroy North Vietnam's infrastructure and supply lines through sustained bombing raids. The United States Air Force utilized various aircraft, including fighter jets and bombers, to conduct these missions. The goal was to create a psychological impact on the enemy while also physically damaging their ability to wage war. Moreover, air interdiction was vital in providing support to ground troops. By targeting enemy positions and supply depots, the Air Force could assist soldiers on the ground, allowing them to advance more effectively. This coordination between air and ground forces was essential for maintaining momentum in combat operations. Additionally, air interdiction helped to limit the North Vietnamese Army's ability to reinforce their troops. By disrupting their supply chains, the United States Air Force aimed to create a situation where the enemy could not sustain their operations. This strategy was particularly important during key battles, where the ability to resupply troops could determine the outcome. In summary, air interdiction was a vital component of the United States strategy during the Vietnam War. By targeting supply routes and enemy positions, the Air Force aimed to weaken the enemy's capabilities, support ground operations, and ultimately influence the war's outcome. The effectiveness of this strategy highlights the importance of air power in modern warfare.